Alright, this here is a small mock layout that I put together to test a Peco Smart Switch system that I got in the mail. And I've already calibrated the servos and everything. And they do in fact work quite nicely also. They work real well. I'll show you the one over there, but that's pretty far away. Eventually, I want to make this into an actual layout rather than just a mock-up, but we'll see where that goes.